Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the OPPO A71, the 3GB RAM variant, a newly launched phone priced at ₹10,000 and it comes powered with Snapdragon 450 processor. So this is the newly launched phone and OPPO has been known to not bring a lot of Snapdragon based phones, but this did come with the Snapdragon 450 processor. This AI beauty technology for the front facing camera, the 5 megapixel camera that is given here. There's VoLTE connectivity as well. 3000 mAh battery that powers the phone, and there's a 13 megapixel rear camera on the device. So this is the A71. It comes with a speedy operation for talking about the Snapdragon 450 chipset. So let's quickly unbox and check out what comes in the package. So this is the device to begin with, the OPPO A71. You could say it's OPPO A71 2018 because there was a similar model that was previously present as well, but this comes with the Snapdragon 450 processor. And this device from the back, it comes with the metal unibody design, which is another good thing. You don't see any antenna bands or such here, but on the front this is the 16:9 aspect ratio with the 720p resolution display. So apart from the phone, what you see here is firstly the information guide to let you start using the phone, a quick guide as well, and there'll be a warranty booklet along with this. And this is quite a large travel adapter that is given in the package, though this is the standard charging speed, that's 5V1A that is offered here. There's no quick charging, and apart from that there is this pair of earphones, and finally there's this micro USB cable which indicates that the phone comes with the micro USB connectivity. So talking about the physical aspect to begin with, the phone comes with the micro USB connectivity on the bottom, a speaker grill, microphone on the bottom again, and on the right is a power button, the SIM card slot. On the top is the 3.5mm headset jack, and on the left are the volume rocker buttons. On the back is this 13 megapixel rear facing camera, and a secondary microphone is given as well. There's a single LED flash on the back. On the front is this 5 megapixel front facing camera, set of sensors, earpiece grill, but there's no flashlight support given here. The phone runs Android 7.1 Nougat based ColorOS 3.2. So this is the new interface. There's a backup and restore option, which is a good thing for someone who's using the phone for the first time and they wanted to set it up. There are a few things that you can do using the apps given inside the phone itself. So this is the custom interface that you see here, and under the tools you see there's a recorder option, FM radio, backup and restore. Google Keep is pre-installed. The entire set of Google applications, the Play apps, they are pre-installed as well. There's OPPO App Store, there's Theme Store, Phone Manager as well, and the couple of other apps that are pre-installed include Facebook and Amazon Shopping. Though this phone is going to be sold on all the three major platforms, that's Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal. Now getting into the settings, first thing let's talk about the versions here. It's Android 7.1.1 Nougat based ColorOS, and there's 16GB internal storage, of which only 8.16 is available to the user, and that is one major disappointment which I talked about. There will be issues with the storage always, and one good thing here is that the space in the bottom is not wasted. You get the touch based navigation buttons in the bottom, and they do vibrate when you use them, but there's no backlight for them. This is for the recent key, and this is the home button and the back button. So if you go again into the settings, there's a lot other things that you can do here. That's the status and notification bar settings, and you can change the security settings as well, and there are a few gesture motion options. So screen off gestures, smart call, 3-finger screenshot, mistouch prevention mode. These are a few options that you get here. There's split screen as well. Game acceleration mode is given under the settings. So these are all those settings, and for the connectivity there are most of the basic options given in the device, including the 4G VoLTE. Getting into the camera app, this is the 13 megapixel camera that you see here, and a lot of options are given towards the bottom. There's time lapse, video, photo, beauty, panorama and expert as well. Getting into the expert mode, let's see what all options are being given here. First is the white balance. ISO can be set to a maximum of 3200. Shutter speed can be changed, and a maximum of 16 seconds of shutter speed can be set up. And these are the other options, EV and white balance, and as well as the autofocus. So these are the options under the expert mode. There's a photo mode, and under the photo mode you can have these options changed as well. There's flashlight, HDR, and the self timer as well, and you can change the resolution directly from here. You can have standard, that is 4:3, or a full screen 16:9, or a square 1:1. So here you can have different filters set up as well. Now talking about the front facing camera, this is the 5 megapixel selfie camera given here, and it does show a bit of a beautification, but then again the company says that it has the AI beauty mode, so I don't know how good that would be, but then AI beauty mode is said to be coming up with your face pointers, and then it would recognize which are the points on the face and then give the proper beautification to your face. So here as well you see a lot of options such as depth effect. You can set it up and you'll see that the background is getting blurred a bit after the face is recognized. So that is one good thing about the depth effect. The other thing is this palm gesture, tap gesture, as well as the self timer options for capturing photos when you're taking a selfie. So this is the quick capture that I have taken with the selfie camera, and it's not bad. It's actually quite impressive for the 5 megapixel camera that is given here. But again, there are phones coming up with better selfie cameras in this price range. For example, the Infinix Hot S3 that came with a 20 megapixel selfie camera for Rs 9,000. In the coming videos, we'll be doing the gaming review as well as the camera review of this smartphone before coming up with the final review in a few days. And this was a quick hands-on and unboxing of the OPPO A71 that priced at Rs 10,000. I hope you liked this video and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thank you for watching.